A very good afternoon to all of you. It's Saturday and time for the live class, that is Magic of Logic series. Magic of Logic series, the purpose is to explain very important concepts of taxation in the simplest way. And when you repeatedly watch this video, it's going to be very clear because there are concepts which are very important in exam, like stamp duty value, bed debts allowed, rebate. So these are the concepts you may understand once in the class when you learn in face-to-face or live class. Income tax is not tough, as I always say, but definitely it is vast. So you need repetition in different way, like this Magic of Logic series, or sometimes while you're traveling, while you're not studying, at least pick up any of the topic, draw the flow chart, what I'm drawing for all of you, and learn the concept like never before in coming 10 minutes. There are some announcements, and always we take the live at 7 p.m. Today we are taking little earlier because of all the festival mood. Sankrant is there, and 2-3 days holidays is lined up for Sankrant. So don't want to miss this. Let us begin quickly. Okay. One important thing is this is not the amendment video. Tax amendment video separate playlist is there where I've already uploaded the first tax amendment lecture, which is like super duper important for upcoming exam. 115 BAC, that is default tax regime. If you want the notes for the same, they are being uploaded in the PDF form in our Telegram channel. Okay, so any doubts you have for any of the YouTube classes, recorded and live classes, you can update. Tax amendment lecture 2, 3, 4 are all lined up and they will be uploaded soon. Mostly I'm recording those lectures every Friday in a live class only. If you want, you can attend. Before starting those live classes, I always put the PDF material in the Telegram, and I give a notification also that I'll be taking it live. Lots of live classes. There are 4 chapters added in the GST. Very simple TDS, TCS, the place of supply, and like this very small topics are added. So those topics also are going to be covered up in the tax amendment lectures. Okay, right? Yes, as I'm already doing the announcement, recorded classes are being uploaded every day in the app. So you can join that if you wish to for CA, CMA, Inter, TT, IDT. For final students, there's a bonanza, and that bonanza is all the lectures, all the 1 to 62 detailed learning lectures are uploaded in YouTube. You just have to download Concept Classes app and pay for the hard copy material, and with that 10 chapter wise quality good question papers along with suggested answers. Chapter wise test series is also given as free, and the courier charges and all are not taken. Just the material hard copy charges you have to pay, and that's too, it's very nominal. You can download the app and check. Face-to-face classes are starting in Hyderabad from January 22nd. That's next Monday. So gear up and keep watching for all the updates. Okay, the topic selected for today is very important for MCQs, for case studies, for CMA students, when sometimes you get the true and false and all. This is very important. One second, I don't know why this has gone like a private video. It is, the live chat is showing some message. Just a second, huh, dear students. Yes, we are doing business head, a very important part. Yeah. All right, today we are taking up the topic I'm saying that is very important, assessment of partnership firm. How do you allow the remuneration salary to the partner, the interest to the partner, and how do you calculate the taxable income of a partnership firm? Ma'am, is this there in Inter? We know that in Inter only assessment of individuals and at the most HUF they are asking. But this is a part of your business head lecture itself. Okay, right? So let us very quickly take it. I'm sharing my screen from the Sarthi material, that is a book. Lot of efforts have gone in developing that book. I myself, more than 40-50 days, I can say 2 months, I have worked, and quality good question answers, concepts, examples, which are more than enough. Of course, definitely I have skipped somewhere sections मैंने नहीं डाले, वही लिखा है जो आपको एग्जाम में लिखना है. Unnecessary half page notes you don't have to write, like for residential status. So these Sarthi taxation book is very helpful. It's not a colored book, it's black and white only. I'm saying from now very clearly, but quality good book covering all your concepts, examples, questions, answers, past exam papers, all included in this material. If you want to do self study, some of the students are like, ma'am, we don't want to join again your batch which is starting. We have already watched last year's lecture that were there, Sarthi taxation video in the YouTube. Definitely you can go for that if you wish to, and with that amendment lecture ले लो और ये material ले लो, आपका काम हो जाएगा. And if you feel no, we want to learn all updated, then please join the offline batch or online, whatever is suitable to you. Yeah. All right. So the topic for today is remuneration. Remuneration to the working partner. Now, whenever it is the case of a partnership firm, okay, partnership firm, we allow interest to the partners. Now, interest is allowed to the partners on their capital. I'm discussing all the provisions not as per Partnership Act 1932, but as per Income Tax Act. So, interest which is paid to the partner is allowed if it is authorized by the deed. Can we say orally, नहीं auditor sir, आप ना partner को 10% interest दे दो. Is it mentioned in the deed or not? So check that. Second is, it should relate to a period falling after the date of partnership deed. Partnership started from 1st April 2023, but interest clause was added in the deed from 1st August 2023. Then interest will be allowed from April or August. So interest is allowed. It can be paid on the capital to the partners, simple interest, provided it is mentioned in the deed from the date after the deed. Ma'am, we have started the partnership firm in April. We are making the deed in August. Can we make it backdated and allow the interest? Answer is no. Right. Okay. So one second, dear students. Just wait a minute. So many times when we take the live classes, there are some troubles and we need to check that. Thank you for waiting. Here we go back. Yes. So now interest is allowed provided it is mentioned in partnership deed, and maximum rate of interest allowed to partners is 12%. You may have studied 6% and 5.5 and all that is what, dear students? That is all as per your Partnership Act. Okay. Now, if in partnership deed we have mentioned 18%, then 18% will be allowed or 12%? 12%. Highest rate of interest allowed to partner in case of income tax is 12%. Very important for your MCQs and all also. Okay. Next one now. If the partnership deed 9% is written, but income tax allows 12%, can I take 12%? No. So for this, lot of examples, these are all my own created example. Pause the video, take the notes. I'm not saying take screenshot. That's very simple, but you have to write 3 hours paper in the exam. For that, write these notes. And if you feel no, these examples, these problems solved. See, look at this. Business head is having more than 40 plus problems with answers, of course, and presentation which is required as per exam. एक या दो वर्किंग नोट बस है जो आप एग्जाम में लिखोगे. तो इफ यू फील you want to study from this book, you can order, download Concept Classes app and you can order. Chalo. So is the partnership clear to you? Huh? Now let us answer this. Interest is paid 10%, deed में भी 10%. तो allowed कितना होगा? 10%. Interest paid is 15%. Deed is तो 13. Ma'am, but deed में 13 लिखा है ना. But maximum interest allowed is how much, dear students? 12%. Is this clear to all of you? 12% is the maximum interest allowed. Okay, right. Now, if you have paid 15%, right? Yeah, I don't know what happened, dear students. Those who are live in the YouTube, I'm not able to check your comments. I don't know how it has gone into that chat. Generally, it is on. So if you feel I'm giving some very good content just before the holiday, पढ़ने का मजा ही अलग है और पढ़ के हॉलीडे मनाने का मजा अलग है, तो then comment below the video. Okay, thank you so much. Now, if the deed is silent, deed is saying don't pay interest, and you have paid 15%, how much interest will be allowed in income tax? Nil. If interest paid is 20%, interest as per deed is 18%. Yeah, still how much is allowed? 12. 12 से ज़्यादा allowed नहीं है income tax में. You have paid 15%. Yeah, but rate of interest as per deed is 10%. Are you all with me? This is an important concept for interfinal, all the students. 15% you have paid, 10% is mentioned in the deed. How much will be allowed? 10. Take your time. If you have any confusion, comment below. Okay. So 15% is there, which you have paid to partner. But deed में तो 10 ही लिखा है. So still can you allow 12? अच्छा ठीक है 12 तो allow करो ma'am, 15 नहीं तो no, 10%. 30% is actually paid interest. Meri marzi, I want to give 13% interest to partners. How much is mentioned in the deed? 30%. How much is allowed? 12%. Okay? Take a pause and tell me all clear or not. Huh? कुछ समझ में आया आप सबको क्या बात कर रहे हैं हम? How much interest is allowed maximum as per Income Tax Act on the capital of the partners? 12%. Deed में if it is more, 12%. Deed में if it is 8%, 8%. 12% is the highest rate of interest allowed. That too from the date when it is mentioned in deed. If deed is prepared on 1st of August 2023, you cannot allow interest from April, 1st April, even if they say, हाँ ठीक है ना, partnership तो शुरू हो गया था ना, not allowed. Okay, I'll work out and share with you all the details for this. Yeah, let us continue. Now comes the presentation. How to do the presentation for interest on capital? See, if interest paid is 36,000, 18%. Interest allowed is 12%. 18% interest is 36,000. So 12% कितना होगा? Question mark. 24,000. So how much will be disallowed? 12,000. That will be added back. देखो, 18% interest is 36,000. But ma'am just now taught you 12% is allowed. That is 12,000. So how much is disallowed? 24,000. Sorry, 12% allowed is 24,000. Disallowed is 6%. That is 12,000. Yeah, it will be disallowed means added in the hands of firm. Now, okay. How much is remuneration allowed to the partners? What do you mean by remuneration? Salary, commission, bonus, all given to partners. Usually, working partners, they get remuneration in the form of salary, bonus, commission to the partner. It should be as per the partnership deed. It should be in a period falling after the partnership deed. It should be paid to working partner. You know, so many times we have sleeping or dormant partner who just put the capital. They never come. They are in Kolkata. We are in Hyderabad. We are like partnership deed ke hisab se I am working. So am I eligible to get the salary, bonus, commission? Yes. How much? Salary, bonus, remuneration paid to the working partner depends on book profit. Ma'am, अब ये book profit क्या है? Book profit is your net profit as per P&L account. Add all disallowed expenses like depreciation as per books and personal expense and capital expense and all. Add back remuneration if you have paid. Ma'am, why we are adding back remuneration? Because we want book profit before remuneration. We want book profit before remuneration. So whatever remuneration you have paid, add it back. Okay? Add and less. Please take a pause and listen carefully. It's a challenge I'm giving to you. Scroll back the Magic of Logic playlist around 4th or 5th. Every Saturday I take it. So 4th or 5th video is for the adless concept. In income tax, business head comes for 14 marks. Start with net profit as per PNL. What you have to add, what you have to less. I have explained in a very nice format with examples. So after doing normal add and less, what you get, you call it as book profit. Add back if you have already paid remuneration to partner, usko add kar do. Interest on capital, excess, if you have paid 36%, allowed is 12, add. Depreciation as per books, add. Depreciation as per income tax, deduct. Scientific research allowed, not debited in the books, deduct. Do all the add less, and whatever you are getting, that is called as book profit. Let us see that now very quickly. Yeah. Net profit as per P&L account, add disallowed expense, add remuneration, add excess interest above 12%, less any other heads income like by mistake dividend received in credited in P&L account, nikal do. Rental income credited, nikal do, because it's already taxable in the above. Okay? So when you do this add and less, then what you get, it is called as the book profit. On this book profit, yeah, how much remuneration is allowed is given here. Up to 3 lakhs of the book profit, or in case of loss, 1,50,000 or 90% of the book profit you can pay as remuneration. Just take a pause, keep patience, understand the concept, and I will be showing you the example solved in our Sarthi book. Sarthi is your companion till exam. So that's what I want to become. So the book name is Sarthi. Chalo. Now, up to 3 lakhs of the book profit, how much remuneration is paid? 90% or 150, whichever is higher. In case of loss, see, can I say to working partner, A and B are partners, A is working partner. Can I say, A, you have put so much effort in the business, you're working partner, but इस बार profit ही नहीं है कि मैं profit का 90% I will pay you remuneration. Profit is not there. I am into loss. Sorry, I will not pay you remuneration. Can we say that? Working partner is putting great effort to pay the remuneration. Am I right? So to get the remuneration and work for the company, sorry. So even if there is a loss, minimum how much remuneration is paid? 1,50,000. Super duper important for MCQs. Note it down. MCQs के लिए बहुत important है. Up to 3 lakhs of the book profit, or in case of loss, 1,50,000 or 90% of the book profit, whichever is higher. On the balance, 60%. Okay? मैम इसको कैसे करेंगे? देखो, हमने एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं. Profit and loss of Batliwala & Co. It's a partnership firm of chartered accountants is given to you. Say professional income is there, expenses are there, depreciation. interest, remuneration, and net profit. Start the answer with net profit, 1,39,000. Now, whatever remuneration they have paid, 1,20,000, add back kar do. ठीक है? Expenses include 15,000 in this. They are personal expense. So add back. Personal expenses disallowed. Now, interest on capital 36,000. Interest on capital 36,000 is paid as per 18%. How much is allowed? As per deed, 12%. So how much is disallowed? 6%. 18% is 36,000. 6% is how much? So 12,000 is interest disallowed, add back. Remuneration to partner, add back. Personal expense, add back. Depreciation as per books, add back. Depreciation as per Income Tax Act, block of asset, 32 section, 21,000, deduct. Now what you are getting, 2,90,000 is your book profit. I want to repeat, mindset. What is the book profit, dear students? Do all the routine add less, add remuneration to partners, add back, add excess interest on capital to partners. Now what you get is called as book profit. On this, up to first 3 lakh of book profit, 90%. Balance above 3 lakh, 60%. This is the maximum remuneration you can pay to partners. I'm covering this in very detailed, very nice. It takes one-time effort, dear students, to study this. Coming 25 days from 22nd January, I will teach DT concept every day, 2.5, 3 hours live class, and it will be super duper clear. ठीक है? Face to face जिनको join करना है, हैदराबाद में ही है, they can message us. Join our WhatsApp challengers group, or you can join our Telegram group and get connected with us. Yeah, these notes are also available in the app itself. Yes. Remuneration allowed is 2,90,000 ka 90%. That is 261 or 150, whichever is higher. So 261 will be allowed. 261 is the maximum remuneration. How much this firm has paid? 120. So now 261 or 120? 120 is allowed. Had they paid 4 lakhs, how much would have been allowed? 261. Are you all getting? Right. One more problem we will take up. Okay. Right. There are so many problems I've given, but one more. Is this clear? Yeah. अच्छा मैम, इफ द रेम्यूनरेशन, चलो एक और कर लेते हैं, ये विश्वा वाला प्रॉब्लम है जिसमें कुछ एड लेस है, नेट प्रॉफिट एड एंड डिविडेंड एंड ऑल. सो योर बुक प्रॉफिट इज कमिंग टू 4,18,000. नाउ 4,18,000 is the book profit. How much remuneration is allowed? Up to 3 lakh, 90%, 270. 3 lakh के above, 1,18,000 पे 60%, that is 70,800. So how much remuneration is allowed maximum? I want to repeat. After routine add and less, book profit 4,18,000. So first 3 lakh pay 90%, balance pay 60%. Yeah. Book profit before the remuneration was 4,18,000. Remuneration they have paid is 2 lakh. 2 lakh they have paid the remuneration. कहीं तो लिखा होगा. Yeah, 120 to one partner, 80 to one partner. So is 2 lakh allowed? How much maximum is allowed? 340 is the maximum. But if they have paid 2 lakh, 2 lakh is allowed. And on the balance income, partnership will pay 30% tax, no basic exemption flat. And on that, health and education sits and all. One more last beautiful example. This is in case of loss. Dear students, something basic can I ask you all? In case of loss, tell me one thing. Will it make a difference कि अगर loss है तो मैम add का less होगा, less का add होगा? नहीं. If it is loss, put it in bracket. But add will be add, less will be less. I am in taxation, but I am remembering the add and less of managerial remuneration accounts. cash flow statement. I'm remember, or company accounts, you can say. I'm also remembering the add and less of integrated accounts, costing and finance. Yes. So check, make sure you all learn this as it is. चलो साथ में करते हैं. It's a very beautiful problem. Profit and loss account of Chin Chin Chu. Thanks to my typist who has given all these names. Sales is given loss. So if there is a loss, we have put it in bracket. Now, depreciation as per books, add back. Expenses include 12,800 personal, add back. Depreciation as per income tax 19,800, deducted. Interest on capital is excess 2,300, add back. Remuneration to the partner, that is 2,20,000 they have paid, add back. Now what you are getting is book profit. I hope you all are getting add and less, and you're getting book profit. Please comment below if you're watching it as recording and you're not live with us right now, whether this way is helping, or you want me also to. You have seen some of my lives where I have gone to the notebook, I've solved the problem, I have explained the concept, and sometimes because we have this Sarthi material, I'm taking this benefit. थोड़ा लंबा भी है ये concept इसके लिए. तो अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो प्लीज मैसेज मी. Remuneration is 1,50,000 तो minimum. Ma'am, but there is loss. तो loss को you increase the loss, but you have to pay you have to charge depreciation. You have to pay to working partner. Followed or not? So 35,300 का 90%, whichever is higher. So remuneration is 1,50,000. That's all for this concept. I've made my best effort to explain you this. Check with me, and if you have a doubt, ask me. Comment below. नहीं, deed में mentioned होना है. In deed, if they mention 7%, even though income tax allows 12%, interest will be 7%. It has to be 12% or in the deed, whichever is lower. अगर deed में 30% है तो फिर 12%. And remuneration up to 3 lakhs, 90%. Beyond 3 lakhs, 60%. Now I'm telling you, no teacher can give you best notes कि इसके notes पढ़ लो पास हो जाते, उसके notes पढ़ लो. खुद के notes बनाओ. Make your own notes. I am teaching since 2 decades, and my students are working at a very beautiful position in corporates, in practice, and I know how they are doing after qualifying. First batch of mine qualified in 2012. Since then, this story is going on. I'm to teaching inter final, but I know them. Only thing is they all have done so much of working hard themselves. Of course, you take all the support of teachers, but you write these notes and it's done for you, right? So thank you so much for watching the video till end. One very important announcement, just the results are out and some of you are not able to decide whether to write one group, two group. I have made a separate video for that. Watch that, take all the benefits, decide for yourself, go ahead और छोड़ना नहीं है. कभी दीप्ति मैम से नहीं पूछे कि मैम आप कितने अटेम्प्ट में पास हुए. Always I say 1999 I became a chartered accountant. That's enough. So if you want to have that consistency, that clarity, that courage, that confidence to write the exam, get the results, then please, I'm saying, please join You Can Do It program. It's magical. You download concept classes form. It's just 99 rupees fees to have that consistency, and something you need to pay in the app. And it's beautiful. Just do all 10-15 minutes. पढ़ाई नहीं है, कुछ और है, mindset सही होना है, तो result आते हैं. To get the right mindset, join You Can Do It program. You will get that confidence, that courage, that clarity, that consistency, that environmental distractions. Sub you will be able to overcome. Beautiful exercises to do, to write. There are many things. So just trust me, do that. Watch these videos, padhai bhi karo, and for planning your study structure and all, you need any one-to-one counseling, any help, note down our number. You can message and you will get a call from our assistant Shruti. She will arrange a one-to-one session with whoever students need help. I think that's the best way to give back whatever I've got from this profession. 9290065156 is the concept classes number. Note it down, stay connected. And today is, yeah, some of the students are like surprised. They have all come live, but ye time pe, ma'am. So wish you all a very happy Sankranti. Enjoy your festival. Spare time with your family. But those who have attended my live classes, you remember how we were in Dashera and Diwali. वो मजा ही अलग है कि जब हम पढ़ाई भी कर लेते हैं और फिर फेस्टिवल भी मनाते हैं. This has to go simultaneously. You all are making your beautiful stories, right? So enjoy the festival time, enjoy your family time, put all the colors in the sky with kites. And of course, you know that it says that the kite is always soaring. अब ये तो हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि जो पतंग है ना अपनी काबिलियत से ऊपर उड़ती है, right or not? हवा का रुख तो है, लेकिन डोर तो हमारे हाथ में. That's what we all are also, right? So lots and lots of festival wishes to all of you. Thank you so much. Do comment below the video. I don't know, some live comments, they are not supporting, some messages coming. I'll check and unmute that commenting part. And hoping you will share this magic of logic concepts with all your friends in all the Telegram WhatsApp group and support me by subscribing to the channel, and I will get more such concepts. अच्छा आपको क्या पढ़ना है? I am always there. My magic of logic is decided. आज stamp duty करना है, आज interest on loan करना है. We'll do GST topics also. We'll do costing also in the coming time. What is the topic which you feel is important and confusing? You want Deepti ma'am to take it in magic of logic? Comment below. Thank you so much. Have an amazing weekend with your family. God bless you all. You are in a beautiful field. Enjoy every moment of this journey. Bye-bye.